This train is goes to Waterloo.
Huh?
Where it is going?
London.
Waterloo. The train is going to Waterloo.
That one's not coming in.
This train goes to Waterloo.
Some stations have short platforms. If you are travelling to Braintree, you will need to travel in the front 8 carriages of the train. If you are travelling to Sunnymeads or Thatches, you will need to travel in the front.
This train is goes to London. Yeah, from. Come on, go now. Oh, it's not going. It's going. And this is our train to Feltham. Train is there to Feltham.
The 1748 Southwestern Railway,
Huh?
Ontario.
It's like a new train.
Yeah, looks like. Look, it's so clear.
Twickenham, Whitton, Felton, Ashford, Surrey, Staines, Wraysbury, and Windsor and Eton Riverside. This train has 10 carriages. Some stations have short platforms.
And the gap.
Welcome aboard the Southwestern Railway
From my
service to
book, sugar.
Windsor and Eton Riverside. Datchet and Windsor and Eton Riverside.
This new train.